Ayurveda, meaning the science of life, is one of the oldest treatment methods in the world. Ayurveda claims to prescribe what is good and what is not good for a person. Today we have with us Dr. Asha Johns, Ayurveda consultant and colon hydrotherapist at Dubai Herbal and Treatment Center. She'll be talking to us about how Ayurveda treatment is very closely connected to our nature and how nature can contribute to one's health. Thank you, and let's hear from Dr. Asha.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Asha. I am an Ayurveda consultant in Dubai. I am practicing here for more than 18 years. First of all, let me thank Mr. Ebi for inviting me for this talk in Only Green channel. As you all know, Ayurveda is the oldest system of medicine in the world, and Ayurveda originated in India. Ayurveda teaches us that every living and non-living being in this nature is made up of 5 basic elements. This we call as Pancha Mahaphutas. These are Prithvi or earth, Jala or water, Agni or fire, Akash space or ether, and Vayu air. Ayurveda also teaches us that every individual is a unique combination of 3 energies or doshas. We call this as Vata, Pitta and Kapha. To maintain a health in every individual, these 3 energies should be in a unique combination and in the balance stage. If anything happens to this balance, there starts the health problem. And these energies are also made up of these 5 basic elements. Thus, air and ether combine to form a Vata constitution, fire and water to form a Pitta constitution, and earth and water to form the Kapha constitution. So we saw how this living and non-living being is connected to each other. The only difference between the living and non-living being is the expression of Chaitanya or consciousness, or we call it the life, soul or the spirit. So now, because of the pandemic, we are all restricted. We are bound in our homes. We are working from home. We cannot go outside. Social distancing is everywhere. So when we are at home or when we are at working from home, we are using only 2 of our senses, that is the sight and the touch. But when we are outside, we are using all our senses. So a walk by the river or a wood or through the seas or through a garden are increasing our health. How is it? Like we are using all our senses. So we need to live in a harmony with the earth. So when we are living in a harmony, both the earth and its species thrive. When we see our relationship with the nature as a symbiotic relationship, caring for the earth transforms our health and our happiness. Whether you live in a city or the country, we should implement how to make green spaces available to all, noting that time in nature increases our ability to learn and live in the world. Considering the health of ourselves and future generation to come, this may be a rooftop gardens or community gardens or even places where the common green space is accessible to all. The opportunities are endless. Consider what it could look like in your community. What is one way you can commit to a more nature-rich society where you live? As we consciously and courageously reconnect with nature, may the far roots and the wisdom of Ayurveda guide us. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Thank you all.